Hello, dear Goinkans. I hope all of you will be fine. Now that we have completed the revision of chapter first, dear kids, now we are going to start the recapitulation of second chapter, and the name of the chapter is addition and subtraction. All of you know that this chapter included the properties of addition and subtraction, and we have discussed all of them one by one. One of the property was zero property, right? And if you know that if we add 0 to a number, we get the same number back. If we subtract 0 from a number, we get the same number back. And if we subtract a number from itself, we get difference 0. So here is the same situation. So the sum of 6505 and 0 is again 6505. Same as B part, the sum difference would be the same number back, and for C part the difference would be 0 because we are subtracting same number from itself. Second is, if 7378 plus 1679 is 9057, then what is 9057 minus 7378? The question is like this: if we have 3 plus 4 is 7, then what is 7 minus 3? Of course it's 4. That means this number back, isn't it? Similar is the situation, so we will get this number back. So what we will get the difference here? It will be 1679. Okay, now third one, if 6523 minus 5754 is 769, is 5754 minus 6523 again 769? That means here it's discussing the commutativity of subtraction. But all of you know that commutativity does not hold on subtraction, because if you have 4 minus 1 is 3, you cannot say 1 minus 4 is 3. No, it does not hold on subtraction because you will not get 3 here. So changing the order of the numbers will definitely alter the difference. So commutativity does not hold on subtraction. So here you will write no. The answer won't be same. Next is, the difference between two numbers is 1234. If one of the numbers is 4321, what is the other number? The question is like this, that if you have two numbers and their difference is 1234 and one of the numbers is 4321, you have to say what is the other number. Of course you will get when you subtract these two. Subtracting these two will give you the other number. Okay, then we have question number 5. Here you have to add these given numbers, but you have to add horizontally. Means ones place with here, with ones place from this, then tens place from 1 this to this, hundreds place from this to this, and thousands place from this to this. I'll be solving one part here, then rest you can try of your own. This is 7 plus 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. So 1 carried forward. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 1 carried forward. Then we have 8 plus 9. This is 8. 9 plus 9 is 18. 1 carried forward. 6 plus 4 is 10. That means 10,835. The other parts goes in the same way. You will be trying them of your own. Thank you so much, dear kids. This was all from this video. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.